So if you like a slight tropical twist to your garden, then you're in the right place. And I really wanted to share a plant that I've had for many years, but a variety I've never had before, and it's an absolute stunner. So this variety of Brugmansia is called a triple A, and there's a little bit of a story behind it that I actually want to share today. So let's rewind a couple of years. Now, before I knew this variety of this plant even existed. Now, I work in quite a harsh man's man environment. Right now, I had mentioned before that I was on YouTube platform, and somebody actually said to me, what, like Blippi? And yeah, I can't even remember what my response was, but I remember it knocking my confidence. And for anyone who doesn't know who Blippi is a very successful YouTube channel, and it's based on children's education in kind of a fun, playing way. So there was this guy at work, right? So I'm walking down, I've got my shirt on from work, and I kind of don't look anything like I look now. So this guy said to another guy, is that Gaz off YouTube? And then that cat was kind of out the bag, right? But I kind of shrugged him off. So when he approached me, I sort of said, oh no, that's not me. And I must have seemed like a right dick, right, to be honest, because that's not me. I really feel like I'm quite approachable, but I was really sort of cagey about it. Afterwards, I apologised and actually went on to sort of give him a couple of cuttings of these Brugmansias, which now he's got a much better collection than me, right? And sort of fast forward 2 years, my appendix burst and I lose quite a lot of my plants. But he came to my workplace, he's not there now, he came to my workplace, he bought me some plants, and I'm really grateful for that, Russ, and I just wanted to say thank you, and I'm sorry if I come across like a bit of an idiot, really, but that wasn't really the intention. But anyway, that is the end of that story. This variety, triple A, is one that I'm gonna propagate well. I'm gonna have it in collection. So like I always do, it might be something that I'll be giving out at the end of the year. Might even be thinking about setting up a small website as well, so we can sell a few Brugmansia cuttings here on the channel. That was it. Just wanted to share that story. Russ, you're a top man. I absolutely love the AAA variety. Now I've got it in my collection, plan on multiplying it. So thanks very much, mate. And if you'd like some better information about some Brugmansias, I've got a whole playlist on the channel, so be sure to check them out with a few more details on. So the answer to the question at work, yes, I am just like Blippi, but just with gardening. Until next time, we'll see you in the garden.